Hi guys, this is a test video. I want to show you how you can remove background noise from your video using the CapCut app, and it's very simple. So let's proceed. Can you listen to the noise? Let's proceed.
Did you hear the wind in the video? So let's fix it in just one click. All right, let's fix it in just one click. So if you have shot your video, just import it into CapCut just like you saw me did. Okay, import your video and I will show you the results just after we are done. So the first thing you need to do is this. Just tap on the video. Okay, this is the video. Can you see my cursor? Okay, that is the video. So just tap on the video clip in your timeline so that the white box appear around it. This opens up the editing menu at the bottom. Can you see the editing menu here? Okay, so this is the editing menu. Now step 3, what you want to do is to find the audio tools. Okay, did you hear that background noise very well? The wind that was blowing as I shot this video. Let me play it again so that you listen in case you didn't hear, so that when we do this you will know that it really works.
Noise from your video using the CapCut app, and it's very simple. So
did you hear the background wind? Okay, that was a noise and we don't want it, so we want to remove it. So find the tools that you want at the end of your video, just the bottom of your phone here. So you have to keep on scrolling. Okay, scroll the bottom toolbar all the way to the right. Okay, just keep on scrolling. Just keep on scrolling. You are looking for a button that says reduce noise. Reduce noise. Can you see the button here? Reduce noise. So let's click on it now. All right, you click on the button, just tap reduce noise like this. Okay, when you tap, look at this button here, you just toggle it on. Just toggle it on. That's all you need to do. So let's click on it and see.
Hi guys, this is a test video. I want to show you how you can remove background noise from your video using the CapCut app, and it's very simple. So let's proceed. Can you listen to the noise?
Now, if you listen to this video just after I toggled on the reduce noise button, if you listen carefully, the background noise is still there. Okay, the background noise is still there. Now, the step 5 I want to show you is what I call the pro level. This is recommended. If you toggle the background noise off or on here, let me show you. If you toggle it on here and it's still, if you toggle it on here and you can still hear the background noise, it means you have to do another extra work, and this is very simple. So if the standard noise reduction is not enough for you, look for the enhance voice button. It's usually next to the reduce noise. Okay, so let me show you how to do that now. So where you can find it, can you see enhance voice? So all you need to do is to click on enhance voice. When you click on enhance voice, it says noise cleanup. Can you see that? Noise cleanup. So just toggle it on here. All right, and wait. Toggle it on and wait. So it says enhancing voice 15% now. So you just wait. Once it's up to 20 or 100%, it will begin to play automatically. And if you are not still satisfied, there's something else you will need to do. So it's currently on 75. Okay, it's currently on 75 here. All right, look at 100%. If you are not satisfied with 75 or 70, you can take it to 100%. But let's play this and listen first. First, tick it here. Okay, tick it.
Hi guys, this is a test video. I want to show you how you can remove background noise from your video using the CapCut app, and it's very simple. So let's proceed. Can you listen?
Now I can still hear the background noise. Okay, so I am not satisfied with 70%. I want to increase it to 100%. Will that work? Let's see.
Hi guys, this is a test video. I want to show you how you can remove background noise from your video using the CapCut app, and it's very simple. So let's proceed. Can you listen to the noise? Let's proceed.
Good.
Hi guys, this is a test video.
So let's play again and see. Now we have 100% of this. All right, did you see that? We have 100% of our enhanced voice. Can you see that here? So let's play and listen.
Hi guys, this is a test video. I want to show you how you can remove background noise from your video using the CapCut app, and it's very simple. So let's proceed. Can you listen to the noise? Let's proceed.
Wow, this is awesome. This is magical. Okay, I didn't hear the wind anymore. You see, so you can actually shoot your video in a noisy environment. Just make sure you have your mic. Just make sure, even if you don't have a mic, and if it is a less noisy environment, you still don't want the noise in your background, you can do this on CapCut and remove your background noise very easily. Is that clear? So please share this video, and I want you to subscribe to this channel, like this video, add a comment if this helps you. Is that clear? Thank you.